few years back, you need to have the knowledge of writing before you can actually make money. But currently, the game has already changed. So in this video, I'm going to simply show you how you can start blogging. And also, this blog will be monetized for you. So all you need to do is to simply pay close attention to this very video, because I'm going to simply break it down and show you how this works and how you can simply get started with your own. Alright, so without further ado, let's get into it. So the first approach is to actually go ahead and pick a niche for your blog. Alright, you should have a niche for your blog before you even start writing about any topic. Okay, for instance, your niche could be sport, alright, where you focus on a specific category. It could be football, it could be volleyball, it could be basketball, and lots more. Right, but if you don't want to talk about sports, you can go into other niches like health, fitness, business, finance, and lots more. Right, but the best strategy of choosing your niche is to focus on what you like already. All right, so this is basically how to choose a perfect blog niche. And mind you, if you choose your blog niche with this strategy, you're going to simply skyrocket your income and also stay longer in this very game. All right, so all you need to do is simply think about what you love and also your hobby. When you think about that, write them down and go ahead and make some research about blogs that are already doing what you want to start doing. All right, then from there you kick off the game. All right, choosing a niche is cool, but the interesting part is setting up a blog website where you have to simply compile all of this content and ideas. I will recommend you go for a standard blog website. Okay, join us on the Telegram channel or WhatsApp channel to get started with your own. Alright, so remember, blogging is not all about displaying advertisement and making money from it. No, blogging is all about building a personal brand for yourself and also monetizing with so many opportunities. All right, you can monetize a blog website with affiliate link, with sponsorship. You can as well run advertisement for companies, firms, allowing other people to post on your blog. All right, so there are lots of opportunities to monetize that single blog. All you need to do is simply set up one. When you set up one, there's what we call auto blogging. All right, so we are going to simply set up auto blogging for your blog. When your website is delivered, the next thing you have to do is simply go ahead and make some keyword research. And this is SEMrush.com. all right, so this particular tool right here is a tool that allows you to see what people are talking about or searching for in your specific niche. Okay, you're gonna see right here, this is keyword magic tool. You have to put in the keyword that is related to your blog or your blog niche. Okay, for instance, if you finally selected football as your niche, simply type in football right here, then select the country you want to target. Okay, so right here they've already automatically selected United States, which is US. Then click on this search button. All right, so you're gonna see right here the keyword is gonna simply come out here. This is the keyword we are targeting, which is football, and this is currency in USD. And if you scroll around, you're gonna see there are tons of people searching about football. You can see this section that says KD, it simply means keyword difficulty. This is basically how easy for you to rank for this very keyword. Okay, so if you see red color, yellow color, that means that keyword is very much competitive. You cannot rank for that. Okay, there are other people that have already written lots of content about that same keyword. Okay, so you just have to make sure you be mindful of the keyword with green color. Green simply means it is alive, it is natural, it is good for you to go with. All right, so if you come over to this section right here, you're gonna see, if you scroll down, you're gonna see lots of red button. Scroll down and come to this section that says KD. Click on this KD, you're gonna see easy and very easy. All right, so if you click on easy, you're gonna see some yellow color, you're gonna see some few green color. Let's click on easy first. So if you click on easy, you're gonna see this is gonna simply load for you. So this is what we have now. We have Football Bros, which has 246,000 searches, like the search volume last week. Right, so the CPC is 0.000. We don't want that, and the KD is cool. All right, the keyword difficulty is cool and it is green. All right, so what we're gonna do right now is simply focus on those ones with high search volume and also with low competition. Okay, you can see this one has high search volume. This probably might be a website that people are searching for. So we have the Argentina national football versus Colombia national football team statistics, and you can write about this. This is going to simply give you some traffic to your blog website. Okay, and if you want to go for very easy, click on this and go to very easy. Okay, the more easier it is, the lesser the search volume. Okay, let's say I click on this. When you click on this, you can simply go ahead and scroll down a little bit and copy that. I can see this has been copied already. You can highlight all of them and copy all of them at the same time. Okay, I have to simply scroll up a little bit and delete this football right here. Let's say I want to talk about stock. Okay, so if I click on this and talk about stock, let's say AI stock, then click on search. If I click on search, this is going to simply refresh for me. You can see we have lots of AI stuff right here, but the search volume is not really encouraging. So let's go to easy to see those ones with higher search volume. Okay, so we have this one. So even if you're getting 5k traffic every single week from one keyword, that is a good keyword for you, right? So if you just highlight this, automatically all of them will be copied. All right, then click on this and you have already copied all of them. And when you copy all of them, go ahead and make some few research about what people are writing about each of these things, or you go straight to this particular tool that is going to simply write for you. So let's jump into writing the content right now. So let me just pick this one right here. If I pick this one, then click on copy, this is the one I'm going for, right? So you can see we have other stuff that people are searching about this. So I'm going to simply write about the price. Okay, so let's say I want to go with this, then copy this. When I copy that, then I'm going to simply go over to this particular blog right here. Alright, so all you need to do is simply go ahead and log into your blog website. Okay, so my team are going to simply install this on your blog website if they're building your blog. Alright, so this is going to simply be your auto blog, and you can simply automate it and use that for your content. Click on this AI content creator. When you click on that, then we are going to select post because we want to write post. Okay, then tone of voice, let's select natural. You can go with friendly or maybe formal. Then for the content length, select long content because we want to write lengthy content. Okay, so they are said here, what is your content about? Then I'm going to simply press that keyword here, figure AI stock price today. Okay, so if there are other things you want to add with that, you have to simply scroll here, how to buy figure AI. Then I have this, then copy this. I want to add something. Let's say we want to start right, what is figure AI stocks. Okay, then comma, then add this one, how to buy figure AI stock, comma, figure AI stock price today. Then I have to simply add another one. If you're getting value from this video, I want you to smash that like button, subscribe, and don't forget to share this video to your friend who is blogging and struggling with blogging. Right, so figure AI robot price, let's select this. Okay, press it here, then add fi. Okay, so this is what we have as the keywords. Then click on this create content. You can show right here, this is writing the content for us without even doing anything. Okay, you can show right here, these are the keywords right here, and I can publish directly to my blog right from this very section. You can see understanding figure AI stock, a comprehensive guide, introduction to figure AI. These are the things explain what figure AI is all about. You can show right here, these are the keyword I added. If you scroll here, you're gonna see understanding figure AI, and if you come here, you're gonna see how to buy it. Okay, if you come here, you're gonna see the price which I added as well. You're gonna see the performance and lots more. Okay, so all you need to do right now, you can see the robot price here. All you need to do right now is simply go ahead and click on publish direct, or you edit the draft. Okay, so I would advise you to edit the draft because there are things you have to do for your post to rank on Google and also be optimized for SEO. So click on this edit as draft, and so right here, this is the blog keyword, and if you come to this section, you can see the readability is cool and the SEO is okay. All right, and then let's go to the visual right here, where you can change the featured image. We have to simply remove this featured image and check any other crypto related or stock related image. So let's click on that, then go to instant images. All right, if you don't see instant images right here, just go to your plugin and search for instant image plugin. Install that on your WordPress website so you can simply see this. All right, so let's search for stock right here. If you search for stock and you send it, this is going to simply bring out lots of stock images which are free to use. Okay, so you don't have issue with that. You can use that as your blog and still monetize without any issue. All right, so I'm going to simply select this one. This is cool, and then click on this set featured image. It has been set. Then I have to simply go ahead and publish this. Click on this publish button. All right, so the blog has been published. If you click on the view post, this is the blog content right here. You can see the blog post. It is very much organized and ready. But when your blog is monetized, the next thing you have to do right now after publishing your blog is to make sure you promote it, okay, so you can get a lot of traffic to your blog website. So for you to do that, I'm going to simply show you 3 websites that I use to get a lot of traffic to my blog website. Okay. So the first one that I use is the Tumblr, right? So if you come over to this website, this is the Tumblr right. If you search for that, this is a platform that has over 100 million people on it, okay, and these 100 million people are basically publishers who are sharing their content, and you can simply go ahead and share your own content on this very website. You can simply go ahead and create your account. When you create your account, then make sure you share every single blog you publish on your blog website on this very platform, okay. Remember I told you that I'm going to simply show you today. This is the first one. The second website that I use to get a lot of traffic to my blog is this one, which is called Flipboard, right? You can see Flipboard right here, and this Flipboard right here connect publishers and creators to audiences around the globe, right? And you have to simply come over to this section right here, create your account on this platform, and you can simply go ahead and automate this, okay. You have a plugin where you can simply connect, and when you connect this plugin, once you publish a blog post on your blog website, it's going to simply go straight to this particular tool right here, okay, and you can get tons of traffic. And another tool that's works the same way is the Jetpack. If you have Jetpack, you have to simply go ahead and connect your social media platform like your Facebook, Instagram, so you can be getting a lot of traffic to your blog website each time you publish a post, okay. And these things, most people are not going to tell you this because they're using these things to make money, but I'm going to simply tell you that for free. Go ahead and try this out, log into your website, log into your account, and get started with this, right? And last but not least, website which I use to get a lot of traffic to my blog is this one, which I called Blog Engage, okay. And this one right here works perfectly for those people that want to share their blog and get it promoted for free. This is what they said here. Blog Engage allows you to submit your blog article that will be reviewed by all and will be promoted by me or our visitors to the main page, okay. So if you come over to this very website right here, all you need to do is simply submit your blog website. Once your blog website tallies with what they want on their community, then you're going to simply go ahead and make your money, right? You can see we have the home, the new submit button, we have the top users, we have the live section, we have tag, cloud, we have the blog, all right. So all you need to do is simply go ahead and select any of these, then sign up and submit your blog website. Each time you publish it, they're going to review it and you're going to be getting a lot of traffic to your blog website. And this website which I showed you here, they get millions of traffic every single month, so don't joke with it. If you found this video helpful, I want you to hit that like button, subscribe to this very channel, join us on the Telegram channel. If you want my team to build and monetize your blog website, join us on the Telegram and WhatsApp and chat me from there. My team are going to simply handle it. See you in the next video.